Bay leaves are commonly used in cooking as an aromatic herb, but they're also an excellent natural remedy that's useful not only for treating some health problems, but also for taking care of skin and hair. With the wide range of benefits that these powerful leaves offer, it's wise to include them in your diet. Let's take a look at the top health benefits of bay leaves. 1. Improved digestion. Bay leaves have a very strong effect on the gastrointestinal system. It stimulates urination as a diuretic, which decreases the toxicity of the body and also stimulates vomiting when something toxic has been consumed. The organic compounds found in bay leaves are very effective in settling upset stomachs, soothing irritable bowel syndrome, or even lessening the symptoms of celiac disease. 2. Treat respiratory conditions. When oil is extracted from bay leaves, it can be applied to the chest to help treat various respiratory conditions. Inhaling the vapor has a similar effect to aromatherapy and is thought to loosen up phlegm and eliminate dangerous bacteria that may be trapped in your respiratory tracts, thanks to its natural antibacterial quality. 3. Anti-inflammatory activity. One of the most important benefits of bay leaves is their ability to reduce inflammation throughout the body. These leaves contain a unique nutrient which can quickly reduce inflammation and irritation when topically applied to certain areas such as sore joints or areas affected by arthritis. This effect can also be achieved through consuming the bay leaf spice in foods. 4. Protect heart health. One of the most major benefits of regularly consuming bay leaf tea is that it's good for your heart. This is because of its powerful combination of potassium, antioxidants, and iron. Potassium is vital for heart health, helping with cardiac rhythm as well as lowering blood pressure. Antioxidants help lower inflammation by protecting against free radicals in the body and have been linked to lowering the risk of heart disease. As for iron, it's important for heart health because it protects against both heart disease and strokes. 5. Prevent cancer. The unique combination of antioxidants and organic compounds in bay leaves help to protect the body from the effects of free radicals. Free radicals can cause healthy cells to mutate into cancerous cells, and bay leaves are particularly effective at preventing this activity. 6. Reduce anxiety and stress. A compound in bay leaves can help lower the level of stress hormones in the body, especially when used in aromatherapy. Excess stress hormones can be dangerous for long-term health, so bay leaves can help you calm down and remain relaxed even in your high anxiety moments. When you use bay leaves in aromatherapy or drink bay leaf tea, it'll help reduce your stress hormones, calming you down and promoting a decent night's sleep even when you're under a lot of stress. 7. Manage diabetes. Bay leaves have been directly connected with improved insulin receptor function and regulated blood sugar levels. For people at risk of developing diabetes or for anyone who has already developed the condition, regular consumption of bay leaves can significantly lower the chances of diabetic episodes. 8. Promotes hair health. Bay leaves can be used in a number of ways to keep hair healthy and strong. Bay leaf water acts as a tonic to hair, which helps to treat dandruff and eradicate dandruff built up over the scalp. You can add bay leaf water to your shampoo and shampoo your hair to promote strength and shine. Generally, bay leaf water has no side effects on the scalp. 9. Relieves pain. The oil extracted from bay leaf has anti-inflammatory properties which can ease pain caused by strains, sprains, arthritis, rheumatism, and general pains and aches. Massaging your temples with bay leaf oil helps relieve migraines and headaches, and also boosts circulation and promotes a feeling of well-being. 10. Beneficial during periconception period. Being rich in folic acid, bay leaves are extremely beneficial during the periconception period, which is the 3 months before and after pregnancy. By providing sufficient folic acid content to the unborn baby, bay leaves can help to prevent birth defects and other complications in pregnancy. Some studies have also found that bay leaves are capable of inducing pregnancy. 11. Skin treatment and healing. Bay leaves are thought to help de-stress your skin, which in turn reduces the occurrence of wrinkles and skin outbreaks. To do this, just boil 5 dried bay leaves with 2 cups of water, keeping the container covered. Then remove the lid and let it boil for about 2 minutes. Finally, pour the brew into a large bowl and cover your head with a towel, inhaling the steam. 12. Good for your immune system. Because bay leaf tea has small amounts of vitamin C, it's also a great one to have on hand when your immune system needs a boost. Besides vitamin C, bay leaves also contain vitamin A, which is another good vitamin for the immune system. Additionally, bay leaf tea has antibacterial properties, which can help prevent sickness as well. 13. May help respiration. Bay leaves work well against colds and flu by reducing inflammation and fighting against bacteria as a natural antibiotic. When used as aromatherapy by steeping bay leaves in hot water, they can help open airwaves that may be constricted due to asthma, allergies, bronchitis, and colds. Because a person can breathe easier, they should find it easier to fall asleep quicker and stay asleep longer. To help congestion, infuse bay leaves in hot water and breathe in the steam. 14. Acts as a natural bug repellent. While the bay leaf plant is most often used for its fragrance in cooking, bugs hate the scent. You can use bay leaves to repel flies, moths, mice, earwigs, and roaches. It doesn't even matter if you don't have fresh bay leaf plants. You can use dried bay leaves to get the same result. Just boil them in water, and the aroma in the air should be enough to warn the bugs to steer clear. You'll find whole bay leaves in the spice section of most grocery stores all year long. Dried, crumbled, or ground bay leaves may also be available. You may feel that ground bay leaves are too strong and opt to use a whole leaf when cooking, discarding it before enjoying your meal, which is what most cooks prefer. If you don't do a lot of cooking that requires a bay leaf, try making a homemade bay leaf tea instead. You just need 4 to 5 dried bay leaves, 1 cinnamon stick or a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1 liter of water. Add the bay leaves and cinnamon to the water and simmer for about 20 minutes. You can add your own sweeteners and flavorings like honey and lemon juice to taste before drinking. As regards to the side effects of bay leaf, they shouldn't be consumed whole. The leaf can't actually be digested, and there's a risk that the leaf could become lodged in your throat or cause damage to your intestinal tract. Keep in mind, it's essential that you find a true bay leaf derived from the laurel tree. Other varieties can be toxic when consumed, so be certain you're getting the real thing. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on 13 incredible health benefits of papaya leaf juice you must know. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.